Okay, here we have a 1954 Ford NAA Golden Jubilee. Thanks to the birds for leaving a nice little message on it. Did just have a fresh coat of paint. It does have a few scuffs where he didn't get it finished before Grandpa passed away. Does have some overspray that needs cleaned off the headlights and stuff. I haven't got any of that done yet. That wire there is for the headlights that are not currently hooked up. I've got to hook that wire back up. Everything works. PTO works, runs, drives. Everything is good. Issue is, it just ain't got enough up to pull the bush hog. So, it's got to go. This is a AT2572 Land Pride finish mower. I've got the cover off so you can see that the pulleys are decent, belt's decent, tires decent. Just had everything serviced. Let's see if we can get the old girl to start here on the first lick. Now she'll start on the first one. Just has to get warmed up before it'll start every time, but once you get her warmed